Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Akai Blitz BZ05 Bluetooth speaker. This is a 5-watt Bluetooth speaker. It's a super compact Bluetooth speaker, as you can see from the size of the box. This has a couple of information here. It says it's connected. It can be connected with Bluetooth version 5.0. Bluetooth support up to 10 meters. Charging time 3 to 4 hours. Playtime 5 to 6 hours. Speaker power 5 watts. Speaker comes with a 52mm driver. It also comes with a 1200 mAh battery. Frequency range is 120 Hz to 20 kHz, which is pretty standard. And voltage is 5 volt. It can run on 5 volts as well. Weighs around 310 grams, so it makes it really lightweight. I will now open this box and show you what's inside. There you go, this is what you find inside the box. First up, we have an instruction manual, a user manual for the BZ05. Everything that you want to know, different specifications, how to use, etc. you will find in this particular document. And this is the micro USB charging cable for this particular speaker. When you want to charge it, this is the cable you want to use. And this is the BZ05, the Akai Blitz Bluetooth speaker in question. It has this red variant. These are the two speakers that you can see. This comes with a 53mm audio driver. It's made out of plastic, it's super compact, weighs only 300 grams. But it also has this rugged feature to it. If you drop it from a height, it's not going to break anytime soon. It's made out of solid ABS plastic. And it also has this rugged texture on top, so it's not going to scratch anytime soon as well. You have a couple of ports here. There is a micro USB charging port, a USB-A port, and a TF card slot. This is the control panel. There's a mode button, plus minus button for changing volume and tracks, power button, and this is a button for controlling lights. We will obviously take a look at the function. And Akai logo is mentioned right over here. And finally, you have a lanyard for when you want to carry this particular speaker around. What I'm going to do now, I will turn this on and pair it with my smartphone over here and see if this works. So let's turn it on first.
Bluetooth mode.
So the moment I turn it on, it goes to the Bluetooth pairing mode by default. Let's see what happens when I press on this light button over here. Okay, you can change it. There you go. So as you can see, the lights are now back on. I will try to pair this device on my smartphone. I will look for a new device. I'm already getting a BZ05 option. I'm going to click on that. And now I'm going to click on pair. You heard that tone? That basically means that this particular device is now paired with my smartphone. I will now play some music. Here we go. Pretty loud actually, and works really well. This is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Akai Blitz BZ05 Bluetooth speaker. Thank you for watching.